come here. You aren't coming? Come on. I know you're looking at your friends, but can you come here? And then, meanwhile, my bird's on TV. That's funny. Do you see each other? Hold on a second. I need to get the stool to get good angling.